OWNR is a cryptocurrency ecosystem devised for cryptocurrency users, businesses, and developers. Here, you can send, receive, exchange, buy, and withdraw crypto with ease. All operations can be performed in OWNR mobile and desktop applications. With OWNR, you get a scalable, turnkey solution for your business. We operate under financial licenses of the European Union, the United States, and Canada, which means all your cryptocurrency operations with us are fully compliant. To start working with crypto, install the OWNR app. You can generate a new wallet or restore the old one with your seed phrase. Seed phrases are available in 8 languages. They can have any length supported: 12, 15, 18, 21, or 24 words. It is now possible to manage 10 coins and all the ERC20 tokens in OWNR. If you want to buy cryptocurrency, you'll need to pass a quick verification by providing your ID and proof of address document. Verification is required for the first order only. In OWNR, you can buy crypto with Visa, MasterCard, and UnionPay at a competitive price. We also accept SWIFT and SEPA payments for amounts of €1,000 and higher. You can exchange crypto to crypto directly in the app. Crypto exchange in OWNR is quicker due to our own engine, which can be integrated in your platform. Use OWNR Exchange API as a liquidity channel or streamline your client's experience on your website while earning the fee. You can sell your crypto and withdraw fiat to the card of any bank with OWNR. This will require the same verification as for cryptocurrency purchase. Only crypto of legitimate origin is accepted. To withdraw funds in an instant, order a prepaid Visa card and exchange cryptocurrency for the card balance in euro right in the OWNR app. With the prepaid card, you can make purchases online and offline, or simply withdraw money from ATM as with any other bank card. Your card will be issued and delivered within a couple of weeks. Card can be delivered globally, but for the restricted countries. But if you don't want to wait for a plastic card to arrive, order a virtual one. Virtual card will be available for use immediately after successful verification. Link both physical and virtual cards to your Apple Pay and enjoy using your crypto trading profit for online payments. Card can be managed in the OWNR Wallet app. Here you will see the entire history of operations and replenishments, PIN and password updates, card blocking in case of loss. OWNR gives you an option to order a bulk of cards with a branded design for your clients or partners. These cards can be managed in a portal where you can follow issuance updates and manage finances. If a branded design is not the aim, you can order virtual cards for your audience. KYC verification is required for such orders as well. You can also order gift cards with instant delivery. The balance of a gift card is up to €150. Gift cards do not require verification. You can leverage OWNR Payment Gateway for your clients to purchase crypto with a bank card. This may be of use for crypto exchanges whose clients need to buy crypto instantly with Visa, MasterCard, or UnionPay. With OWNR Payment Gateway, you will get 24/7 technical support for the card payments, competitive purchase fees, adjustable options of KYC verification for your clients. Another solution for buying cryptocurrency with cards is integrating cryptocurrency purchase API to your website. Then your clients will be able to make purchases using your platform or widget on your website. We can add some features like statistics displaying, placement of buttons, and any other links to your resources for crypto use. For businesses that accept cryptocurrency payments, OWNR offers a ready-made solution: Cryptocurrency Acquiring API. You can easily integrate this API on your website and sell goods for crypto. If you often deal with large volume cryptocurrency deals, then you probably know how often problems arise. To resolve this, OWNR can serve as a trusted intermediary and process OTC transfers. We accept crypto and fiat payments of any volume in Euro, USD, and GBP. All the OTC deals are secure. We require a verification for every user and check the origin of crypto. OWNR provides secure and efficient solutions to cover all the needs of users and cryptocurrency businesses, all in one place. Install OWNR app, buy, sell, exchange crypto, and integrate convenient solutions with OWNR Wallet.